Let us study the use of end of file marker. Okay, now observe carefully. In this program I have defined a symbolic constant, namely true, which is equivalent to 1. That is, true means a non-zero value. Okay, now here let us execute the program. And now what is the job of fopen? Fopen will open a file pf01.c in a reading mode, and after that it will link this file to the stream fptr. We know this operation. But suppose, assume a case when pf01.c, this file is not on your hard disk, means we have not created this file. In that case, this function fopen will return a null value which stands for 0. Let us see the help of fopen. You see, returns a pointer to the newly opened stream if successful. Means if you can establish the link, return a pointer. Else it returns null. This null value is defined in stdio.h header file. Is it clear? So when this operation fails, means fopen cannot establish the link between your file pf01.c and your file pointer fptr, then in that case fopen will return a null value, and that value will be stored in the pointer variable fptr. So we are checking here using this if statement. We are checking if that value is null, means content of fptr is null, then in that case display a message unable to open the file and stop the working by using the function exit. So exit 0 means operation is successful, and exit 1, a non-zero value, means operation is unsuccessful, and that's why terminating the program. Is it clear? I'll discuss the function exit afterward in detail. Now execute the current line which is highlighted by blue strip. So open the file. Now you see, if statement is checking the value of fptr. So this means fopen has opened the file successfully, and that's why fptr doesn't contain null value, and that's why if statement is not executed, if part is not executed. Okay, now let us see the while loop. Here this is infinite while loop. While loop will continue its execution till the end of file is reached. So we want this type of code, so that's why I am executing while loop infinitely. So true means 1. This true means 1, and always while loop will get a true value, a non-zero value, and that's why while loop will continue infinitely. Okay, now you see, using getC function I am reading one character at a time from the file pf01.c through the file pointer or stream fptr, and that value we have assigned to the integer type variable sam. Okay, now observe this if statement. This is very important. This if statement is checking the end of file condition. Let us execute and see the working. So here I am executing getC function. So getC function has returned and a value says 72. You can watch the watch window. Value returned by getC is 72, which is ASCII value of character H. Now if condition is checking whether sam is equal to content of sam is equal to end of file or not. We know that sam contains 72 because watch is showing, and that's why else part will be executed. That is, using printf library function I am displaying the content of sam. Now let us observe the dot screen. Yes, H is displayed, which is the first character of the word hello, which is stored in pf01.c file. Okay, now execute again while loop. Now second character is reading, getC reading is second character. What is that? 101. So sam content 101, which is not equal to EOF, because EOF means -1, and hence else part is executed. Printf function will display the character, that is small e. So ASCII value of small e is 101. Now again execute the for loop, display the character, and now see the DOS prompt. Double L is displayed. We know that file contain hello, so last character should be O and displayed. So hello is displayed. 111 is the ASCII value of small o. And now observe very carefully. This time Gates is reading a character and it will return integer type of value. We know that we have stored only one word in the file pf01.c, that is hello. We already displayed that word at DOS prompt. This means after this hello word there is the end of file mark, and Gates is reading that value and it will store in the variable SAM. Just press F7 and see the watch window. Observe carefully this window. Press F7. What is the content of SAM? It is -1, which is end of file, and hence if part will be executed. Just press F7. So if part is executed and break statement is stopping the working of while loop. So break is breaking the while loop. Control is outside the while loop. Fclose will close the file pointer, and see the DOS prompt. Hello is displayed. Understood the meaning of end of file and understood why getC is returning an integer type of value? Thank you.